Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Start by confirming the power cable, power strip, and outlet are working correctly. Check for loose connections and test the outlet with another device. Remove all external peripherals like USB drives and printers before you try to boot. These devices can interrupt the boot sequence and cause startup failures. If you are on a laptop, hold the power button for 10 seconds to force a full shutdown. Then reconnect power and attempt a normal boot from the power button. Observe lights, fans, and display activity for basic troubleshooting clues. If the PC still will not start, force Windows recovery by interrupting startup 3 times. This action opens advanced startup options for repairing your system. Choose Startup Repair first to let Windows try automatic fixes for boot issues. If Startup Repair fails, select Safe Mode to load minimal drivers and troubleshoot conflicts. In Safe Mode, uninstall recent updates or drivers that might prevent normal boot. If those steps do not restore startup, use System Restore to revert to a known good configuration or apply a system image if available. When recovery options fail, check firmware by entering BIOS or UEFI settings at boot. Reset BIOS or UEFI settings to defaults if a recent change caused the boot problem. Verify boot order to ensure the Windows drive is first in the priority list. Use built-in diagnostics or a bootable USB tool to check drive health for physical failure. If the drive is healthy and nothing else works, back up your data using recovery media or a Linux Live USB. As a last resort, perform a clean Windows.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.